Let's find out. Wee! Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today guys, we'll be backflipping off of high places ragdoll engines. So let's get this video started. Wee! Boom! So we see if it backs flip or front flip. I'm gonna have to cut the camera. Oh, we have to take it. Take 2. That was even a back flip, but okay. What about a diving board? Oh, are you kidding me? E. Oh, I did a whole side flip. That was awesome. I'm for so long. I'm going to flip off of these stairs. You guys ready? Oh, so close, but I didn't do it. Is it impossible, Billy? Well, I'll see you about that. Huh. Ooh. Ow. That's a ouch. Well, flip. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.